Morning everyone, it is just after 5 o'clock in the morning. We woke up at 4:30 this morning because we are on a little expedition. So this morning we're going to be leaving high camp at around about 3,600 and trying to head up to the upper viewpoint of the Mardi Himal Trek, which is about 4,600 meters. Oh Jesus, the snow is thick. We're just packing up some breakfast to take with us. The stars are absolutely incredible. I wish I could show you, but my skills aren't quite that good yet. I didn't sleep at all again last night because whenever I get up to high altitude, I just cannot sleep at all. I have the weirdest dreams and I'm waking up constantly. But it's pretty much pitch black still, so it should be pretty cool. We'll have to put the crampons on pretty much straight away. And it's freezing, my hands are numb, but yeah, I'm looking forward to getting going, and hopefully we should get an awesome sunrise. So we'll probably be leaving in about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll be on the way. But this is all I can see. The crampons are on. Now time to test them out. Never worn them. Oh wow, the snow is deep. This should be a good, fun adventure. I don't know what the temperature is. Feels like -5. Oh.
It's the same kind, I think, right?
Huh?
Yes, the same kind as you have, I think.
What?
Crampons. Yeah.
Ready to go?
Bro! Ready.
Yeah. One.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
It was clear a second ago, but not anymore.
Mardi Himal Trek, guys.
They fucking left us. Jesus Christ. This is awesome. They've left us already. We're gonna fucking die out here. There is a hell of a lot of snow. Jesus.
Where is Will?
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
No, never mind. I said it's very warm, right?
I feel like I'm about to summit Everest. Oh, this is ridiculous. We've got 2 girls that are at our guest house that are trying to do this in like Adidas shoes. No crampons, nothing. No way will they be able to go as far as we can. This place is covered from head to toe in snow. This is awesome. Let's just hopefully I don't die at the top. Is that you, Michael?
Yeah. They don't have a light, so.
Oh my god. Are you crazy?
Yeah.
No crampons either. How you feeling, Michael?
Pretty good, actually.
They're cold. Oh, you're taking the bag. Didi?
Yes.
Good? What does it mean? What does it mean, Didi?
Sister.
Didi?
You go ahead because you don't have a light.
Yeah.
Gandalf!
Sleep.
What shoe she's doing this in?
Yeah.
And we have boots and crampons. The mountains are over there.
कसमा आइपुग्ने प्रवीण
दिदी हामी यहाँ अप्ठ्यारोबाट जान्ला हो यहाँ सजिलो बाटो छ के दिदी यतापट्टि
ए हो
You slip down here, you're gone. You are gone. Bloody hell. I said to him, let's take the safe way. Takes us along the edge of the bloody cliff, mate. Christ. This is mental. Right above the clouds. This blue sky. Walking on the edge of a cliff. Bonkers. Yo. Oh mate, this is insane. The clouds. Oh, wow. Oh shit, she fell over. You okay? Yeah? If you come and do this, don't just wear a pair of trainers. You good? Bloody hell. Mate, if she slips, there's no return.
More headache.
Robin,
Yes.
we're on top of the world, my friend.
Yes, my friend. We can do it.
On top of the world.
Yeah, we did it. Top.
Tough going.
Yes.
Tough going. Chalo. Jam jam. What does jam jam mean?
Let's go.
Chalo is Hindi. Jam jam. Jam jam. Mum, Dad, I am alive and well and loving life. I won't scream because I don't want to set off an avalanche. But wow,
Dance, Michael, bro, dance. Dance.
This is fishtail.
We're gonna spoil any energy on the top.
Yeah.
Wat doe je in je vrije tijd, Michiel? Nou, gewoon dit.
The sun is just beginning to come up. This is absolutely jum jum. Absolutely epic. Wow, this is one of the best things I've done, if not the best thing. Hiking through the snow at 4:30 in the morning, pitch black. Now to catch the sunrise, just mountains everywhere. Oh my god, insane. These are truly moments as to why I travel, to have experiences like this. Look at this. Oh, mate, I've never been so happy in my life. This is unbelievable. I'm not even at the top. I don't even care if I don't get to the top. Oh shit. Man, I don't know what else to say. This is absolutely incredible. Everywhere you look, above the clouds, the glow orange pink, the big fishtail mountain, the Annapurna Mountains. Mate, this honestly is what life is about, and why you should get out your comfort zone and travel, because you're not going to have these experiences sitting at home in your country unless you get outside and do stuff like this. And I know that's super cringy, but it's so true. It's only at times when I come to a place like this where I feel inspirational and motivated. The sun is just coming up over the mountains, almost at the lower viewpoint. Then we're going to have some breakfast up there. We brought like a packed lunch with us. Whew, tough going though, 4,000 meters. The sunglasses are back on. Made it to the lower viewpoint. Fishtail Mountain there. What an incredible morning. Insane. A morning I will never ever ever forget. Absolutely knackered though. Time to get that local Tibetan bread and boiled egg in my stomach, because I am hungry. This snow is deep, look at this. Whoa. I think these are the Annapurna Mountains here. Are we coming back? Oh shit, man. Are we coming back later in March to do the Annapurna circuit? But this trek is completely different and oh god, and absolutely unbelievable. Oh my god, I don't really know what I'm walking on here. Oh. Okay. This is why you want to get up here early, because past 11, 12 o'clock the clouds completely come and will completely block the views of all the mountains. Like now you can't even see Fishtail from about 30 seconds ago from me just recording that last clip. There it is, gone. And soon they'll cover all of this. What an adventure.
JB sir, what do you think? Otherwise we have to make final picture with group. Yes, please smile, okay? Yeah.
Ready? Happy!
Chalo, chalo, chalo!
Nice one. Do it again.
They keep on sliding off.
Yeah. Hold it, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is lucky guy. That guy is lucky.
Breakfast, some nice Tibetan bread, a nice mashed up egg, and some curry, potato curry.
Oh yeah, this curry.
Oh yeah,
Enough for all.
that is good.
Yeah.
So
Maybe
good.
salty, yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah. Life doesn't get better than this. I'm going to finish this video here. What better place than in the Himalayan mountains. Mardi Himal Trek, absolutely incredible. It is freezing, We just had some breakfast and I'm going to head down shortly. But I hope you enjoyed another little trekking series, whatever you want to call it. Again, here in Nepal, in the Himalayas. Catch you in the next one.